guys, hi everyone. I hope that you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to work with the ADX indicator, and as usual I will try to explain you everything how you can get a successful work with the ADX. Okay, I'm gonna click on this bottom. Here we have the hot list of the main indicator, and I'm gonna choose the ADX. Main settings, I'm gonna change the period. It will be 9, thickness medium, and apply. And right now I'm gonna show you what you have to do. Okay, my amount it is $100. So you have to know two basic conditions right now. I've just made put option. It is $100 because here we have the intersection of the green and the yellow line, but the direction of the green line is falling down and the direction of the yellow line is growing up. That is good moment for buying put option. Today we are working with the ADX indicator, and the ADX lines are the green line and the yellow line. The red line is just like the moving average of the trend, so the main lines for us are green and yellow. Vice versa, if we see the intersection of the green and yellow lines, but the direction of the green line is growing up and the direction of the yellow line is falling down, that is good moment for buying put option. So right now, here we have the expiration time. Don't grow up, please. So $65. That is not so difficult working with the ADX indicator. You just have to stay calm, and you need to concentrate to make your to be ready to make your bet. Okay, I'm waiting for the another intersection, and remember that each intersection depends on the direction of the lines. Call or put option. Okay, right now the lines are not getting closer to each other. I'm waiting them getting closer, and I'm waiting for the intersection, of course. Okay, right now we have a big fail loss for us. So in case of loss, we need to make the next deal twice times and how bigger than the previous one if you need to cover your previous loss. I'm gonna do the same, so I'm gonna change my $100 to $250, and I try to change everything right now, so I'm waiting for the intersection. Okay, I'm not sure right now, so I will wait for a while because I want to understand. Okay, put option. I've decided to make a put option because here was the intersection and the direction was falling down. So let's see, I don't know. Sometimes you can't predict where the market will be and which the market will be, so everything depends on your mood, predictions, feelings, and skills, of course. So please fall down. Okay, so my prediction works, but we still have 18 seconds, so we have time, and everything may change even in 1 second. So please keep falling down. Okay, $162. That is really good. And right now I go back to my initial position. $100. I'm waiting for the intersection. So I keep trying. You see, there is no difficulties in this work, I mean working with the ADX indicator, but you may try. Only you have to know is to follow 2 steps that I've told you, and actually these 2 steps are 2 conditions that you have to know. Okay, $100 I've bought call option because here we have the intersection, the direction of the green line was growing up, and I guess that the trend also will be growing up. Okay, purchase time. So if you have enough purchase time and you want to open the other position, you may, but you may do this in case if you are sure that it will be good for you. If you are not sure, that is good moment, just relax, take a deep breath and wait for the expiration time. Okay, 10 seconds left. Right now everything is quite good. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, the same, 65. Good for us, and I continue. The same, call option. You see the intersection. So, but right now we see that the green line is just like falling down, but I cross my fingers and I believe that not good. So I repeat my step. I'm gonna do the same. So right now I'm gonna change $100 to 250, and I will try to change my situation. Okay, the same call option. What is going on right now? Are you serious? Just a little, go higher, please. We have 10 seconds. Just a little, almost, please. 5. Oh my gosh, just a little. Don't. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I have to say. Almost. It was under pressure. 162. Stay cold-blooded. Okay, 162, and right now I'm gonna I want to go back to my initial position. And okay, put option. I've just made put option because the intersection we see right here, and the green line continue falling down. And expiration time, so please fall down. I don't like it. Everything was good, but okay, good. Don't grow up, seriously, fall down. Okay, $65. You see that was a little just under pressure, but I guess this task was good, really. So you see that ADX indicator is not so difficult. You have to know 2 basic conditions. I'm waiting for your comments. All the useful links are under the video. Thank you for your attention and see you on the next time.